Now let's go to pros and cons. First is the price. This is very affordable since the current price of this one is 6,990 peso, and compared to other brands, this is very cheap. Second, looks and design.
I like how sleek the design is, the build quality is amazing, this is very comfortable and light.
Third is battery life.
Single charge will last more than 5 days using normal mode and will last up to 14 days when in battery saving mode.
Fourth is functionality.
It provides precise and real-time tracking data for 15 professional sports including climbing, running, swimming, and cycling. It supports both GPS and GLONASS positioning system for meticulous route tracking during outdoor workouts. You can also track your heart rate, sleep monitoring, and listen to music while doing workouts since it has 4 GB internal storage.